Have you ever wondered why some graphics, some videos, some articles, some content have been created, but they don't convert that much? Why so? Is it because of the offer or because of the process, that's the sales process of that content, or what? So in this video, I'm going to be talking about conversion process that your content needs to go through before they can be checked as a high converting content. Welcome to this video, guys. I'm Kiki Borobara with the Creatify team. I'm going to be talking about how to use Aida for your content marketing. Stay tuned. So over time, content creators and marketers have come up with different strategies on how to make their content more converting, because you can have a flyer, you see a flyer and you don't make any action, you don't take any action rather, and you see another flyer with the same information, but you take an action because of what the other flyer A was not converting enough, while flyer B was converting enough, and it made you take an action. Why do you call numbers? Call now, register now. Why did you register? Why did you call? Why did you click that link? Reason because the conversion process was checked and you took an action based on the instruction that was given to you on that content. Content can be video, flyers, articles, memes, any form of content, but in that content they had these features I'm going to be listing out here, which is AIDA, Aida. You might have heard of it, or maybe you have not heard of it, but then Aida basically is an acronym for attention, interest, desire, and action. So if your content don't have these features, you might have a very slim chance converting your audience. So basically, we'll be breaking Aida in this video so you can understand how you can use Aida for your content marketing. A means attract or attention. You can use any of them because it's similar. First thing you do when you see a flyer or a video, what attracts you? Like a YouTube video, I know the thumbnail can attract you, like a clickbaity thumbnail can attract you. A flyer, the design can attract you. So the designers or whoever is this is more of a design work. This is more of a visual work. That's the picture you see. People are moved by what they see. What are you showing in the first place? What's your first impression like? So this is more of a visual side of the content. That's the design part, the visuals of the video, what the first impression the viewer gets. This is the first thing they see. This is what attracts them to continue watching your video, continue looking at your graphics, spending time on your content. So this is attraction. Whatever you're creating should be very attractive, should be attention grabbing in the first place. You can have something like free tickets, free gifts, free this. Now you can have something like, and that's for the copies as well. The copies should be very attracting as well, and they should be bold. You can have something like make more money. If you're talking about making more money, you should say make more money today, or make more money with this secret or something. It should be attention grabbing. The colors you use, the design patterns, they should be very attractive. That's the first phase of converting your audience. This audience, they go through different phases, and if you don't check all those phases, conversion will be zero. So next one on the list is interest. You should be able to interest your audience. Yeah, you have a target audience, yes, but then you should make them have interest in what you're saying. What insider content I want to retain them to watch more, or like to view more, or stay more. What's inside? The offer? Is it the offer? Is it what's in the content? So you have to create interesting offers, interesting content, interesting articles, videos, flyers that will make them stay. So that part keeps them. That's the second phase of the sales, the conversion process. Now the next one is the desire. Now you need to tap into their desire. What do they desire? If they are your target audience, they've been attracted by the first impression you give to them, which is the design. Now they are interested. Now, are you tapping into their desire? So this has to do with more of them than you, more of the target audience than you, because it has to do with what they are interested in and what is their desire. So you need to tap into their interest and their desire for them to move to the next phase, which is the call to action. That is the action, A for action. Now, this phase is where you tell them what to do. As I said earlier, click the link, hit the subscribe button, like I can say now, please hit the subscribe button or hit the like button, share this video, and you can make a comment as well. Those are call to actions, because I'm calling you now to take up an action. You can also say, click the link below the description to get more sales. Click the link below the description to get more this, more that, more this. So you're making them take an action. So this particular phase is where you now direct them. They've been attracted. They are now interested. They desire what you're offering, and also you're not telling them to take an action, and they are interested. They want to take an action. So this phase is the phase that closes them to take, not really closing per se, because there are more phases afterwards. The after Aida phase, there are more phases after. But then this phase is what makes you get a lead, because once they click the register, let me say if it's a content that says at the end, the call to action says register now, click the link to register, and they go to the registration link and they see the form where they have to include their emails, their name and their phone numbers. Then you've gotten a lead, an interested lead. So basically, these are the flows that a content must have. So if you're a business owner, you have difficulties in converting your prospects, Creatify.com is here for you. Creatify.com is a digital marketing agency and a content creation agency that helps businesses get more clients with different strategies, different marketing and content strategies. We use it over here to get you more clients. So if you're interested in jumping on one of our packages to help you get more clients and increase your revenue, click the link in the description below or anywhere in this video. If you're watching on Facebook, give us a like. If you're on YouTube, please subscribe to our channel. If you're on Instagram, kindly follow us, and also share this video to your loved ones and friends and business owners that you want to share value with, so they can enjoy more of this value. You don't want to do that alone. You don't want to enjoy all this content alone. So share them with your friends, family, loved ones, and other business owners you feel will need this video. Thank you guys. I see you on the converting end.